Hey guys, today we're going to make a 3D Halloween door hanger. We use a 16-inch round piece of plywood that Michael cuts out, and I do 2 layers of white acrylic dried in between really well, and I used painter's tape to get the layers. We're going to do a candy corn theme, so we're going to do white on top, yellow in the middle, and then orange at the bottom. And like I said, just make sure that you dry the paint very well in between layers. I do have a hair dryer I have set off to the side to dry in between to kind of make the process a little faster. Sometimes when you peel your painter's tape, you do have some paint peel up, not a big deal. Touch it up, dry it, do the same amount of layers. And here we have a 3D sign that I purchased off Etsy, or I'm sorry, I purchased the file, Michael cut it for me. Same process, we're going to do 2 layers of the black acrylic, dried really well in between. And for the bow, I'm not the best at making bows, but this is a really fun, simple way to do it. Just cut your ribbon. I like to cut the little pointy sides, and then I'll take a lighter and run it through so that it doesn't fray. And this is super easy. You basically just scrunch up your ribbon, and I tie it together with this little rope string here. I kind of use that on most of my door hangers. And then I did purchase these little candy corn inserts from Michael's just to kind of give it some glitter, some fun. You can shape it up. I always double knot it just in case. So this is already glued on and sealed. We do like to seal all of our products just so that they don't scratch or leave fingerprints or whatever. We do seal front and back. And then you just attach the bow there, and that is it. There is your DIY Halloween door hanger. Thanks so much for watching.